Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Shruti from Datamin, and today we will be seeing how we can build workflow for SLA monitoring, which is relevant to our 6th use case for e-commerce and logistics. Let's imagine we are an e-commerce company and we have an SLA to deliver every order within 3 days. If something is stuck in the delivery for more than 3 days, we need to be notified about this order and take the required actions. So we will see step by step how we can do this. So since we built from scratch, I choose the first option and I call my workflow SLA Monitoring. Coming to the step 1, we select the query block where we retrieve all the orders with status not equal to delivered and it is updated more than 3 days ago. So now I enter the necessary details where I specify the database, the table as orders, and also the filters. So my first filter would be status is not equal to delivered, and I add this. Coming to my second filter, it would be updated at is more than n days, specifying the value as 3. So updated at is more than 3 days ago, and I save it. So this way we check if something is stuck in the delivery for more than 3 days. Now let's go to the step 2, which is a condition block. Here we check if such orders exist. So we give the condition as count greater than 0 and we save it. And if yes, for each of them, we send notification to the responsible team. And now my next block would be for each. So let me quickly connect the blocks. So when the condition is true, for each of them, I notify the team. My next block would be the notification block. Here I specify the destination as my email, but you can again choose anything of your choice. And I give the message as, hey, we have an order stuck in the delivery for more than 3 days. Please take a look, and I save it. Now it's all set. Let's schedule the workflow. Okay, so coming to scheduling, I schedule it every day at the 12th hour and at the 0th minute. So now I save it and it's all ready to run. So let's run the workflow to see if it's successfully executed. So yes, the workflow is successfully executed and now we are done. So if you would like to explore other use cases, check out the documentation on our website, and you can also check out our YouTube channel for more informative videos and tutorials. Thank you.